Hello, here is my Screencast-o-matic video showing you my website and kind of what I've created for Module 5. So here is my homepage for my website on Weebly. Does a little welcome, my biography with some fun pictures, a little bit about me. And then I did it in a subcategory under work because it was too much to go across this pane here. So I liked the way this looked better. Hopefully it's still accessible. So first off, here's my Word. I have embedded our two Word documents here and put a little picture of Word. Excel, same thing. Here's our Excel assignment. PowerPoint, goofy little picture, but again, you guessed it, my PowerPoint presentation that I produced in this class. The Webquest, so let's go there. It does open up the Webquest. Obviously I have the free version, so I have a lot of ads, but this one is on the 3 branches of government. Here's my welcome page. The introduction, kind of gives a little bit of an introduction. Again, lots of ads here because I got the free version. Then I have my tasks here. I don't actually have a handout that I created for this, but that would be something that I attached later. Here's the process. Uploaded photos for each one. I broke this one down into steps. And then I also put some links for anybody doing this. The evaluation takes a minute to load, sorry. Again, another cute picture. Here's the rubric that I created for them, a total score of 100 points. The conclusion. Just kind of asking them, what they might have learned. Gives them more information here in this photo so that they can kind of test their skills. Teacher page, this goes over what Common Core state standards I went over, what grades it can be taught to. I also put that in the main. 3 to 5 is the main ones that you could teach it to, but you could extend it to 7th grade if necessary as well. And that is my Webquest. Going back to my website, the next one would be the Screencast-o-matic. That will be embedded here after I'm finished making this. And then the last is the other examples for Education 150. Here are the 2 other videos that I made that I've embedded here as well. So hopefully this was a nice tour of my website and kind of what I've done for Module 5.